Alright, we're working with Maggie. Literally, the door just closed. Normally she'd be going crazy. So here's what I did. Maggie, just before you open the garage door, you break off a piece of treat and you get her attention. And then as she's eating the treat, you open the garage door and you tell her to take it nice. And as the garage door's opening, you have her mind on the treats. You shake? Good shake. Good shake. Okay. And no reaction whatsoever. She's doing really, really well. And there's a jogger coming up the way. So here's what we're gonna do with Maggie. Maggie, sit. Watch for me. Here's the treat. Keep your eye on me. Maggie. Maggie. Good. Maggie. Here you go. Gentle. Maggie. Gentle. Good. Good. Good girl. Very good. That was outstanding. Here's another treat. Good girl. Okay, we've got Maggie leashed up and ready to go. I've got a treat here, and I got the garage door opener. Sit. I'm gonna hit the garage door opener and then offer her a treat. Here, right here. There you go. Wait, right here. Here, you ready? Yeah, break it up. Ready? Here, there's my girl. Find it. There you go. There you go. Good job. Find it. Find it. Good girl. Ready? Here you go. There you go. Good. Good girl. Wait, ready? Here we go. Find it. There you go. There's a good girl. Ready? Find it. Good job. Good job. That's a good girl. Yeah, that's a good girl. That's it. Not bad. You did great, girl. You did great. Okay, let's go. Good job. Very good. And I left all the other treats in the garage. Dang it. That's okay. She's doing great. And away we go. All right, we got Maggie all leashed up. We got a couple treats. We have the garage door clicker. Sit. Good, sit. Stay there. Here, Maggie. Ready? Maggie? Good. Take it gentle. Good. Go this way. Sit. Good, sit. So good. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl. Wait. Maggie. Sit. Good, sit. Good girl. Stay with me. Good girl. Shh, this way. Maggie. Yeah. You see somebody walking over there? Yeah, some guy coming up the hill. Come here. Ready? Maggie. Maggie. Sit. Good. Wait. Yeah. See that? Good girl. Good quiet. Good quiet. Very good. Good job. Okay, come on. All right, we got the leash on. We're going to try a different way. Here's the garage door opener. We tried treats, and that seems to work as long as you re-engage her. But then we also are going to use the squirt bottle. If you don't have treats, she does respond to a squirt bottle. So we're going to hit the garage door opener. Sit. Put her in a sit. Maggie, wait. Shh. 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 Good girl. Much better. Good girl. Very good girl. There's somebody coming by with a dog. Let's see what's going on. Let's go this direction. People with a dog over there barking. See the dog barking? Good quiet. Good quiet. Nope. Good quiet. Good quiet. Good. Good girl.
Water in there?
Just water.
You do the same thing.
Uh-huh. Good girl. Good girl. How about that? Good job. Good girl.